Okay, this is for assignment 1, assuming you have entered the data and have everything like this. Now this obviously is not problem 48 from chapter 4, but it is an example. I think it's the example they used in the book for the TI tips for your calculator, so this should match up the same way. In order to do the histogram, click on Graph, go to Histogram, and I have a title here, so that shows up. If you had left it, it just would have said variable 1. All of these things you can leave pretty much alone. If you want, we could do an overlay of a normal model. That'll mean something later to us. And you don't have to, because this system automatically picks up, but you could do an x-axis label and a y-axis label. I'll show you that's not necessary right now. That's all you really had to do, was just click where the data was. We'll go down to Compute, and there we go. Now the normal model is this red curve. Okay, it's like a bell curve, and there's the histogram. We don't have to adjust anything. You'll see that the x-axis is already labeled. The y-axis is labeled frequency. The data is all there. It already shows us the mean and standard deviation, but we have to do that on another thing, with another thing as well. But for now, we're going to hit Options and Copy. And if you go here, you'll see at the bottom tip, it says right-click the image and select Copy Image or Copy. To paste into Word, choose Control-Alt-V. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to right-click Copy Image. There it is. Go down to Word, and if you try just paste, nothing will happen. Okay, so you have to do a paste special, which is a Control-Alt-V, and then we want to add it as a bitmap, and okay, that's a little big, so we'll shrink it down, and there's your graph in a Word document. Okay, we'll go back to this. We will now do stat and summary statistics on a column, because it's a column of data. Here's the column we want. Okay, and what I'm asking you for is the mean, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the standard deviation. Now I click them in that order because if we hit Compute, it gives it to us in this order, which is nice. Okay, if we highlight all of this like that, right click and hit Copy or Control-C, we can go into Word and just paste normal, and there that data is there. And this is basically all you have to do for assignment 1. And we're done.